Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency, and coming with running boards down below and the XTR package, giving you chrome accents and rims. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. And moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have the button to access your camera again, hazards and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then you have your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have another USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath there for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.